whistle. Very good. Who wants to try? Okay. You want to answer me now? Okay. How about the young man in green t-shirt? Come here, young man. Oh, he looks very confident, huh? I can't whistle. Yeah, the best I can do is something like this. Okay, it's not coming out this afternoon. Never mind. Come, young man. There we go. Right inside. Shake hands. Come close. What's your name?
JJ.
How old are you, JJ?
5.
5 years old. Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
It's a good answer. I think that is one. You can let go of that. Thank you. Thank you. Can you whistle like Quincy? Okay, we try. Huh? We give it a try. You listen one more time. Quincy! Ah. Very good. Okay, JJ. And I know it's a bit tough, but to make it easier, I want you to look out there. Look for a pretty young lady. Do you see any pretty young ladies?
There. My little sister.
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. Maybe you shouldn't look at your little sister and whistle, but you just try. Whistle. Very clever. Good improvisation. One more time. Whistle. Give him a big hand, everyone. Well done, JJ. It's okay, JJ. I'm going to make sure. Okay, Quincy's going to sing for us. It's a song about Singapore. It goes something like this. Singapura, oh Singapura, pretty flowers bloom for you and me. I'm not good at singing, but you listen to Quincy. Huh? Quincy, sing. Give him a big hand, everyone. Well done, Quincy. Now it's time for Quincy to go back home. Quincy, before you go, what must you say? Bye-bye. 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 Oh, he's waiting. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Quincy. Give him a big hand, everyone, for Quincy. Our yellow-headed Amazon. There we go.